Good morning, dear students. As we are in second unit, and in second unit in last class, I teach you what is measurement. Today, I will teach you what are the different methods of measurement. First method is contact method. When the measuring instrument makes actual touch with the object, it is called contact method. Let's elaborate more. Suppose you have a table and you have a measuring scale, and suppose I tell you to measure the table by using that scale. So definitely you will touch the scale physically with the table. Without contact with the table by the scale, you can't measure. So such type of method is called contact method, because you are going to be touch with that object. Without touching, without physical contact, you can't measure. Second example can be a mercury thermometer. Without touch with the body, the thermometer will not work. Such kind of method is called contact method. Second is contactless method. In contactless method, we use sensor for the measurement. We don't touch the object. There are many situations. There is a very one good example, like in covid period, corona kal. For measuring the temperature, lot of companies was using contactless method. You know, in corona time, temperature was being measured by sensor based thermometers. It means you no need to touch with the object. Without touching, you are measuring the temperature for the radiation method. So such type of method is called contactless method. Third one is contact method, direct method. Third one is direct method. In this, quantity is measured by a direct comparison with the standard, measuring the length by scale. Again, many quantities where you don't require any calculation, on direct scale you can see the reading. Suppose you are measuring any object using scale, so you get direct reading. No need to calculate further by any formula, no need to put the value in any kind of formula. So such type of method is called direct method. Indirect method, calculate is measured in some other units, then it is used to calculate required dimension. In indirect method, you need to calculate, you need to put any formula further to get the final dimension. Suppose you want to measure the density of any object. So what you require? First you require the weight of that object, then you require the dimension of that object, so you can calculate the volume. Then weight upon volume, you require density. For calculating the density, you require weight upon volume. So you need some calculation. So such type of calculation, if required, then it comes in the indirect method. Fifth, last one is the differential method. In this method, only difference reading is taken. Suppose there are two pipes, and liquid are flowing in that pipes, and suppose you want to measure the difference in that. So you require a such type of U kind of tube, and the mercury is filled in that, and due to the pressure difference, the level of mercury will not be same. So such type of method is called differential method. So these are basically five categories, or you can say the types of method for the measurement. So in next class, we will talk about different kind of instruments. It is enough for today. So goodbye and thank you. And for any doubt, you can call me personally.